Hey guys, in today's video I'll tell you how much the salty crackers makes on YouTube. So if you wanna know, then watch the video till end and subscribe the channel to know how much your favorite YouTuber earns. So let's get started. First of all guys, how does YouTubers get paid? They get paid by placing ads on their videos. If they place more ads, they makes more money. Secondly, CPM stands for cost per 1000 views, means how much advertiser pays to run their ads on YouTube. Average CPM is $4 and the earning depends on many factors from where the video is watched, how long the video is watched. Thirdly, YouTube takes 45% of creator revenue, means 55% creator gets and 45% YouTube takes. So now let's take a look at their analytics. It has total of 704,000 subscribers and total 226 videos and 57 million total views lifetime on their channel today while filming the video. So now let's take a look at their estimated revenue. How much does it makes monthly annually from YouTube? This channel gets over 10,000 subscriber monthly and over 9.4 million views per month. So according to that, if we multiply views with average $4 CPM, then their estimated monthly earning is $37,800, and multiplying monthly earning with 12 shows that they make over $453,000. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you also want to learn how to make money on YouTube, then check out the link in the description to learn from scratch to start and earn a decent amount and become a successful YouTuber. Thank you for watching the video.